and this is Sandy Crane the Heart, and today I have a project share for you guys. So today is my dad's birthday. He is 75, and so I wanted to make him a card. And so, because winter people get wintry style cards usually, I pulled out this Beachy Christmas because he is a former surfer. He doesn't really surf very much anymore, but we grew up going to the beach our whole lives, and so I just thought it'd be fun to make a card with this. I used this birthday. So here it says, have a relaxing winter, and I put have a relaxing, I think, birthday. So I used the birthday in there. And I have no idea why this one's out. Maybe I was going to do something with that. And then, oh, I know why. Duh. I used the snowman. That's how and then in here, I'm cleaning out my craft room because I'm getting ready to do a couple of really big destashes, one in December and one in January. And so I pulled this out, found it hidden in my die storage. And so I pulled this out for my card as well. Okay, so here are my two cards that I made. I made a more birthday card, and then I made one that is a Christmas card. So here is the birthday card. And so this card, I used these dies in different colors. I had some paper left from the Stamp Market Pink Fresh Studio Virtual Retreat. So those are the papers that I think I used right here. And then some craft. And then I used the surfboard and the sun, the little drink, and I did Santa in non-Christmas colors because he's having a relaxing birthday. So did a few little gems here, and that's his card. I don't think I did the inside, but I love how that came out. For celebrating his birthday tomorrow, so I really needed to make this video. And then this one I just did slightly different, almost all the same colors. I went with pink, so I just did a little bit of ink blending on the card here in some Distress Oxide. I think the flamingo color, but I use that one quite a bit. And then the snowman, and so I saw this on another card. They made the snowman look like he was getting a suntan, so I just did a very light, I think E21, I think, around him, so he kind of looks like a s'more, I guess, a little bit. And I did a little bit of glitter on him and on the snowman, a little bit of gel pen on both. And so I've got the little shell and the pineapple. And then this one says warmest Christmas wishes. And I think they came out adorable. So these are my cards. Thank you for watching. This is Sandy Crane at the Heart.